rising up early, people. Early bird catches the bonus. The slot machine's not even on yet. We're waiting. Hey everybody, Casino Clay here. Back. Early bird catches the bonus. I figured let's try be the first players of the day and see if there's any luck right when the slot machines come on. Usually I have pretty decent luck at the start of the day, so we'll see what happens. Alright, we got $60, guys. We're going to put 60 bucks in the machine. So I'll take it. And we want what I want. Is there's a new game in this machine. And I've had some luck on it, some line hits and stuff. Blazing Hot Celebration. So what we're going to do here is we're going to turn it right up because it's a good loud machine. We want everybody to hear us win because we're the only ones here to play. So we're going to max bet that game, $2.50 a spin. Let's see if we can get anything. I figure early bird catches the bonus today, people. 3 of those free game symbols there. So let's want a lot of these guys to line up their multiplier wilds. 2x multiplier. Ooh. Come on, bring it. So they can deliver some decent line hits. Come on, do it. Bring it. Oh, I went by twice, guys. You see that? And it lands on the next spin. Of course it does, right? Bring it. Let's see what we can do today. Come on. Not seeing anything yet. Do it. Ah. 4x. Alright, 14 bucks. A little something, something. Do it. You keep going. That's huge, guys. 41 bucks. Nice. Up to 82, sweet. Keep going. Yeah, I think there's a lot of potential in this game, so. But ring it. Keep going, keep going. One more would have been really awesome. Come on, bring it. And give us that bonus. I love the sounds of this game too. Bring it. Oh, I thought that was it. No fair. Nope. Give us 5 of a kind of those Blazing Hot 7 or Blazing Hot Celebration symbols. Keep going. Nope. Come on, bring it. We want that bonus. Back at our 60 investment. Come on, bring it. Keep going, keep going. Nice, that's huge. $30 there. Sweet. Well, so far so good, guys. What can I say? Maybe we'll have to cut this one short and give old Wildlife Extreme a go. I don't know. Bring it. Come on, do it. Give us that bonus. Keep going. It's playing around with us. Keep going. Come on, bonus. No. Come on. Hit. Yeah, we might pull out and go to all that. Hold on. Do it. Man, why is this game so tough? Come on. No. I don't know. I have to move. Last spin. Yeah. Alright, let's move to Wildlife Extreme, see if anything happens there. Alright, popping that in there. $50, we are going to try Extreme, and we're going to play it the way I want to play it. Less lines. 3 lines. At max bet the 3 lines. Let's do it. Rumble away, give us 3. Bonus us. Do it. Ah, gave us 2, nice. Alright. Give us that bonus. Do it. Bring it. I don't know, guys. It's teasing. It's teasing. Only $1.50 bet. And why I'm playing at a $1.50 bet and less lines is in the bonus we get extra lines. They give us 3 lines if we play 3 lines. They give us 5 lines if we play 5. But they're max bet lines. So I think it's kind of a better bang for your buck just to go at $1.50. Because you got to get your spins out of this game. This is the most high volatile game I think ever made, kind of thing. So, but with the high volatility, guys, means rumble at 3, give us 3. It gave us 2 again. Nice. All right. Yeah, sometimes it rumbles and gives us like 3 wild reels. That's a decent hit. Alright, bring it. Looking for that bonus to give us the big win. Come on, bring it, bring it. Nope. I think we're gonna get it. Just have to be patient, right? Patience has a lot to do with slots. So come on. Give us something juicy. Oh, is that a hit? No. Oh well. Come on. Nope. Do it. Nope. She's a tough one. But if you guys want to help me out by subscribing to Casino Clay, liking this video, that'd be great. I'm not going to stop on this game till I get what I want. So aces. Where is that bonus hiding? Come on. Jacks. Do it. Nope. Nope. Aces, sweet. Needed that. Needed that hit. Come on. Something. Now you guys can see why I have to bet lower. Do it. Bring it. Bring it. Oh man. How many teases is that anyway? Jeez. Yeah, tough. Come on. GX.
There is things to do. Said I can't call me.
Surprise us and give us 5. Nope, nope, no. I can't say we're not trying, right, guys? Come on. Come on, do it. No. Come on. No. Jeez. What a tough game. Come on. No. Down to the last spin. Can't even do it. What a tough game, guys. Last spin. And that's that. We'll be back.